welcome to the channel on Career Drishti. On this channel, we focus mainly on the different career options, what are the requirements in terms of education, and what are the different career options that are available in a particular career cluster. So today, in the last video, we focused on the career cluster of legal services, and today we are here and focusing on the second important cluster of manufacturing. Now, when you manufacture a product, it obviously involves three major aspects. One is the designing, how to design the product, the actual manufacturing of it, and then obviously the one of the important aspects is the quality of that product. Now, all these aspects require a technical background. So, there are three parts which we will, this video will be divided into, is the three career sections is what I mean. The first one will be on mechanical engineering. The second will be industrial designing, and the third one will be industrial engineering. Now, as you all can make out, since we are talking about more of engineering or technical field, this field requires science background with a mathematics, with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as you progress, and eventually we take up engineering. Now, depending upon the branch that you are interested in, the specializations are chosen from the second year onwards. For example, when we talk about mechanical engineers, we know that mechanical engineering is the branch that we can go for. Now, we can do a BE, you all can do a BE or a BTech in engineering. So these are the basic two degrees. For mechanical engineering, it's obvious. Now, most common roles and responsibilities that you require is you have to develop and design and develop cost-effective mechanical products. Okay, then you obviously, it's not a one man's job to make the product. It is a team effort. So you have to develop and coordinate with the different aspects of different departments of it, right from the designing department to the manufacturing department to the quality control department. The coordination also is involved in it. Then apply the mechanical engineering principles and practices. And now we have one of the latest branch, that is the upcoming branch as robotics, biomedical engineering. So a lot of research and work is happening behind the screen. So a few key skills required for mechanical engineering are you need to have knowledge of production management, how that particular product is manufactured. Then a little bit of knowledge of designing. So there are softwares like CAD which are available, and there is obviously designing, like I mentioned, that are involved. Basic knowledge of it is also of utmost importance. Now, the demand for mechanical engineers is very high, as all of us know it, and the fee ranges are average between 3 to 4 lakhs on this is the average fee that I am talking about, and this involves only the tuition fee. Now, they may vary according to the college, so don't say that you had said it, but I am giving an average cost involved in the making. But the salaries are also medium. Now, obviously, when I started the video, I talked about we need a basic maths. As you take 12th, pass out from 12th science, you can do a BE or a BTech from, we know the IITs are very well known for the graduation as well as the postgraduate studies, then there are quite a few exams that you could appear on depending on where you want to get admitted. For example, we have the JEE mains, that is a joint entrance exam mains, and the advanced. We have the GATE exams, and similarly there are quite a few entrance tests which depend on the particular state. So this is what I talked about mechanical engineering. Now one of the aspects, like I said, involved is designing. Now you all could, if it is a matter of liking, you all could get into industrial designing also, which involves sketching, that is making sketches of the products. So this is one important aspect which you have to create. Then creating of physical prototypes is creating a sample of the product if it is going to be newly designed. Again, you have to take into consideration what are the latest trends in the markets, and examine the materials also. Once you create a prototype or a unique piece to begin with, or a sample as we call it in common language, then you have to check the product safety, product functionality while designing. Only that these aspects need to be taken care of. Then again, when we are designing, a while ago I mentioned that the key skills or important aspects require are knowledge of engineering design, product design, and there are some very beautiful softwares like CAD or Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, which are available for designing of the particular products. So you all could gain a mastery while you all are doing your graduations in BE or BTech. The demand for industrial designers, it's like a specialization that you are doing. So the fees is also slightly high, but at the same time, once you pass out, the demand also for industrial designers is very, very good. So again, you all need to have a 12th in science with maths, since you all are doing a degree course in industrial designing. And you all could, if you all want to specialize, you all could always go to a BTech and again a master's in designing with specialization of industrial design. So some of the known institutes for this are NID in Ahmedabad. Then we have one in Gandhinagar also. We have a Symbiosis Institute of Design in Pune. Then a Pearl Academy in Mumbai. MIT Institute of Design in Pune. So these are some of the reputed colleges. I just named a few, but there are many more. And these colleges also give you a post graduation degree in it. Now obviously you have to appear. Some of the colleges like Symbiosis have their own entrance test. Then there are a few common entrance tests also conducted by the then again, like Symbiosis, NID also conducts its own entrance exam. So then there is NIFT, the exam for National Institute of Fashion Technology, that conducts their entrances. So you all could keep a check on it to find out a matter of your choice. Then we move on to the last part is industrial engineering and management. Now industrial designing and mechanical engineering are both very technical branches, but this involves engineering as well as a balance of management also. You require to take care of the post production, that is once your material is ready, you have to take care of the scheduling, the dispatches, the quality control, the inventory, that is how much stock is available with me. You have to keep a check on it. Organize the production schedules, that is now I have X amount of stock, this is what is the requirement, so keep a check of the production schedules as well. Certifications like Six Sigma Black Belt or Green Belt, along with a project management degree, certification, will also help out, and people management skills are highly required for this. The fees, the demand for both, and as well as the salary. Now when I say that the demand is good, the salary is also going to be good, offered good in it. Then now, like I said, this is a field which is a mix and match of technical as well as management. So you have to pass out your 12th with maths, get into BE or BTech courses which have industrial mechanical, and then you could to add to your qualifications, you could always have an MBA operations, and then go in for certifications once you get into the working, once you get working. So these are some of the tips that I could offer y'all for the sector or the career cluster, as I would call it, of manufacturing. So if you all feel that how do I, now this is a course that is not meant for everybody. You have to it requires different skills and abilities for each of the course. So I would always recommend that you get your psychometric testing done. So we at Career Drishti offer psychometric testing, career counseling to students of class 8 to 10, for class 11, 12, as well as for graduates and for working professionals also who wish to make a career change. So in case you have any further doubts, you feel free to get in touch with us. I will be mentioning the links and the necessary email IDs in the description box, so that getting in touch to get your doubts clarified will be easier for you all. So bye bye and enjoy.